All right, guys, in this video, I want to go in and cover all of the things that I have as my checklist to make sure I have a successful email campaign. Now, this project that you guys are going to see right now is actually part of a course on CodingPhase.com, Future Proof Email Developer course. Go ahead and check it out. Links in the description. By the way, for anybody watching this inside of the course, yes, this is also for YouTube. All right, so let's go in and check this out. Technically, this is an email by EA, the company, and they're sending it out as a promotional email for promoting their new game, Battlefield 6. Okay. Now, as you guys can see, it's a very simple but straightforward email. Okay. And basically links you directly into watching previews and, videos of the game, like a trailer on PC. So definitely, it's a pretty cool game. I love that game, by the way. But yeah, this is the project that we're going to be building. We have in here all the different steps in the checklist that we have to go over, right? So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go in and get the assets for the emails. By the way, I'm going to be giving you guys the assets of this email and a screenshot of it so you guys can go in and actually start building it, okay? Now, these are the steps. We're going to want to get the assets. The second step is identify what's the best strategy to build for this email. Now, this email is very simple, very straightforward. So in reality, we could build this with just a fluid email template, okay? So meaning that we don't have to go in and make it responsive. We don't have to go in and do anything because technically, all of this is just basically one table, and every single thing that we have here is just one column layout. Okay. And this stuff here is very simple to do. So again, we don't have to go in and stack anything on top of each other. So we can just use the fluid emails technique. Keep it simple for you guys. Okay. Now, the next thing that we're going to go do is actually build the email. So once we already identify what's the best strategy that we're going to go in and tackle this email, we go in and we start building it out. After we build it out, we basically go into optimizing the images. Now, this is a email that is in production, so I'm pretty sure they already have this optimized. But I'm also going to show you guys how to optimize your images. Technically, you want your images to load very fast in case somebody's using a slow connection or maybe they're on the mobile phone. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. We're also going to do accessibility check to make sure that everything is working as it's supposed to. And anyone with a screen reader or some type of disability can actually go in and read the email. Once we do that, the next step is to proofread it. Believe it or not, sometimes when you copy and paste things, for example, like down here, which is actually text, you might go in and put something, maybe a misspelling or something like that. So again, we're going to go over that just to make sure that everything is spelled properly. Now, it's just a good habit to have. Sometimes people make mistakes. So proofreading is always going to be good. Okay. So no one can blame you. Okay. That's just the facts. When you're working at a company, there's always someone, that's looking for someone to get blamed on. Okay. So if the copywriter goes in, gives you some text, just copy it exactly the same way. Or, at the end of the day, just proofread it. Then from there, the next step is to test the email. And then from there, launch the campaign. Now, in this situation, we're not going to be launching the campaign. What we're going to be doing is all of the technical side and all the different steps to make sure that this email looks good, works great. And at the end of the day, it has everything that we need. Okay. So again, I'm super excited to have you guys inside of this course. Let's get into it and let's actually start building this project. Now, for those of you guys that haven't bought this course yet and you watching this on YouTube, guys, you don't know what you guys are missing. Come and check this out. If you're still interested in becoming an email developer, this is the go-to course to actually go in and learn email development. All right, guys, I'm gonna see you guys later.